So you're the first person I've told this. I've got a little confession.
What?
I did a bad thing.
Have you pre-ordered something?
No, I just ordered something.
Oh, you ordered?
Another lens. It came. Any guesses? So, as many of you all know, I've been shooting Sony now for almost a year, and I do not own a wide-angle lens. Until now. This, in the box, is the Tamron 17-28 f2.8 for Sony E-mount. I've been using the Tamron 28-75 for getting on for a year now, and I've been dead chuffed with it. It's a nice, relatively lightweight, relatively inexpensive lens, and the quality is superb. I've been more than happy with it. So, in the box, literature and the lens. That's it. That's all you need. Da, da, da. There she is. This is actually even smaller than I thought it was going to be. There's the 28-75 for comparison. It's actually a fair bit smaller and a good bit lighter as well. Nice surprise. So I've been eyeing up this lens for quite a long time. I was very tempted by the Sony G Master 16-35. My mate Callum actually has it. I have had a quick little play with it, and I might actually have to do a comparison at some point with this lens. But purely on expense to quality difference ratio, this was a no-brainer really for me. Yes, it's 17mm rather than 16mm. Honestly, I don't think that extra 1mm is going to make a huge difference to me, and it only goes to 28mm rather than 35mm, but then the 28-75mm picks up exactly where this one leaves off. So again, that's no biggie for me really. I can't get over how small and light this is. Let's try it on the body. Alright, so a few other features. Except for being tiny and very nice and lightweight, it is still f2.8 aperture, which is very nice to have. You get a lens hood, which is a very simple one, but it'll do the job. It'll help protect your lens and avoid some of those lens flaring as well. We've got internal zooming, which is always nice. That means that it's not protruding from the body, as the 28-75 does. Now, let's have a look how wide it goes. Wow. I am very close to this camera right here, and I can see a lot actually. Let's see if there's any flaring. I can't really see any. We'll have to do another test at some point, but still. I forgot just how wide 17mm actually is. The widest I've ever had for the Sony bodies since I switched back to full frame is 24mm. So yeah, that's a lot wider. Another reason that I chose the Tamron is it has a 67mm filter thread, which means I can take off this filter from the 24mm and I can whack it straight onto this one. There we go. So that is now 4 of my main Sony lenses that have the same size filter thread. So yeah, that's very nice to have. Let's pop you back on. So yeah, I got a new lens. I'm going to be playing around with this quite a lot in the next few weeks I think, for both photo and video. So if you want to know anything about this lens, if you've got any questions, then leave a comment down below and I'll actually try and answer them in my actual review video. I do have my first wedding since the lockdown in just over a week as well, so hopefully I'll get a chance to use it there. It is in a very small old chapel as well, so I reckon this will probably come quite in handy. So yeah, I'll be doing all my usual testing, brick walls and example images, that sort of thing, Yeah, let me know if you want to know anything, and until then, be good, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.